My name is Basharia and I'm a design consultant here at Lamont Brothers. One of my most important goals as a design consultant is to guide you through the design process by educating you on your options. Cabinets can make up a big portion of your design project, especially in the kitchen. When looking at cabinets, your options are to replace them or to reface or refinish them. Refacing or refinishing can be painting the door and drawer fronts as well as the box, all the way up to all new door and drawer fronts as well as upgraded hardware. Replacing is, just like it sounds, all new cabinets for your space. When thinking about what option is the best fit for you, you'll want to consider whether you need to change the layout of your space, what is the current condition of your existing cabinets, and your budget. All of these items will factor into making the best decision on whether to replace or refinish your cabinet. For more information and price comparison between these two options, check out our website and search Refacing.